Welcome, Panda-Frog here. Today I got a mail call from Bearsback, and of course I already peeked inside. So without further ado, let's open this one up. I traded with him one of his amazing challenge locks. Not challenge lock, sorry, logo lock. And apparently he sent me more than just his logo lock. So let's see what we got in here. So he sent me some stickers. I sent him also one or two locks and one of my challenge coins, and of course some chocolate. So yeah, should be there at your place soon. Oh, that's very cool. Ah, damn it, what happened now? I have to reset my light here. Perfect. So this will go, one will go on my wall and the other one in my collection for later. So let's do that right now. I got a magnetic wall here where I put stickers and stuff. It's done. You're on my wall, Bearsback. I really love your logo. Thank you so much for sending me this stuff. It's a pack lock. That is probably his little logo lock. I also did logo lock from my old logo, but it didn't come out that well. It's more like a zombie Panda-Frog. So yeah, I have to check on with the new one. Maybe I will do it again. And it's a 200A standard black. Oh, look at this. I have to set the focus point better. Look at this one. It's pretty awesome. Wow, very nice. Thank you so much. I haven't picked this kind of lock. Let me see what else is in here. Maybe I give it a try. So we got 1, 2, 3, 5 pins, probably. Very nice lock. Thank you so much. I need a board or something here on my wall where I put like some special locks, like the logo locks, and maybe one of the big locks, like this one I got from Southampton, and the cups and stuff. I need a board for that, for the cups, and yeah, I will get on that. But I'm busy right now, so ooh, a round body. I don't have a lot of round bodies. I mean, you call this one a round body? It won't be the only one I have up to now. Damn it! Something's wrong here. Let me try something. Be right back. The batteries are empty and I need to, sorry for the shake. And I do not have enough batteries here, so screw this right now. I will work with the light I have. I'm sorry for that. No ring light today. I will need to figure out what the problem is. Oh, this is heavy. A Schleck. It looks like it looks pretty amazing. Oh, it's really heavy. Thank you so much. Ooh. Did you hear that? Very nice. Very nice. Thank you so much. Wow, very cool. Little slake here. So what else? I only expected like one lock, the Bearsback lock, and he sent me like 3 very nice locks. Stanley. Okay, never seen that lock before. Ooh, it looks like a mean bidding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pinner. Ooh. Never had one of these, or never picked one of these. 6 pin. Let's get this one in the vise. Let's see if I can pick it. I'm not good at out of the pack picks, but I give it a try anyways. Sorry for the light, it's yeah. So we got the 200A here. Let me get some tension on it and see what we can do. No, it doesn't fit perfectly, but give it a try. It looks like I need more tension. Okay. So it's serrated. I'm not happy with the tension on here, to be honest. It's the same size. It's too light. Not even better. Oh, this might be good. Yeah, that's better. That fits better. Alright, so again. So I almost would say there are serrations in here, but I'm not 100% sure, so Okay, so no luck. Alright, so I will get on this one later. Just wanted to get some pick in here. Oh, I need to be careful with tensioning. So let's try this Stanley really quick. This Schlag. No, it's not Stanley, it's a Schlag, sorry. C38547 33 8. That can be the bidding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pinner then in that case. I don't feel a lot right now, so okay. Keyway is a little tighter, so I will need to work on this. And I want to stick my pick in here right now a little. Ooh, that looks a little nasty, keyway. See, what can I maneuver in here? Not like this. Oh, I will not get this open. This is right now too difficult for me, but just want to see how it reacts. I might need to change my tension on this one to a different method. Because I got it's a 6-pin. Oh, I got a fourth set here. Okay, so I'm gonna show you this little keyway. Just wanted to try it really, really quickly. Look at this keyway. It's like a car key. Very light snap and sound. I mean, compared to the Schlag. I love the Schlag. Very nice. Thank you so much. Really appreciate all these logs. And I don't have any of them. That's even better. I'll never get back to you with an opening someday. But this will go. I will create something on my wall here for logo logs and for this marks and stuff. And I will show you soon. That's again amazing. Thank you so much. My package is on the way, should be there shortly, hopefully. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.